Today I'm going to be swapping out my current slip-on exhaust, which is the Kuryakyn Crushers, with the Cobra Neighbor Haters. Super excited about this, you guys. So yeah, we'll get into it. Hey everybody, what's going on? I'm Andrew, this is Touring Midwest, and yes, we're doing a little exhaust slip-on comparison swap out today. And this will be my fourth set of slip-ons for this motorcycle since 2016, counting the stock exhaust. I'm going to give you a little sound sample of the Kuryakyn Crushers first of all, so you can kind of get an idea what that sounds like. Then we'll of course do a sample of the Neighbor Haters. We'll see. We'll see. I don't hate my neighbors. I really like them, but we'll see if they hate me after I get these on. Hopefully. Now, I will say these are used. I did not buy these new. I got a really good killer deal on them, so I couldn't really pass it up. Yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so that's a little audio sample of what the Kuryakyn Crushers sound like. Baffles in, but all the steel packing removed out of them. I got the exhaust swapped out, so now it's just time for the sound comparison. So let's do that. I'm excited. I can't wait to hear how these sound. Well, it'll be really interesting to see how they come through on the audio and how the sound compares from one to the other. In person, I think they sound a whole lot better. I can't wait to actually get out and ride with them a little bit. I'm definitely looking forward to using these new pipes, and they look way better than the Kuryakyn slip-ons in my opinion. Anyway, that's gonna do it, you guys. Thank you so very much for stopping by. Stay safe out there as always. There's videos and links, check those out. Have a good one. We'll catch you next time on Touring Midwest.